What a incredible day in the stock market. We are up over 1.45% today for the SPY. And if we take a look at the daily stock market analysis, we have broken the downtrend on the daily time frame, signaling us a huge move to the upside since we have broken the downtrend. And especially if we take a look at the weekly time frame, it is looking absolutely incredible, especially with September coming up. Now, in this video, I want to go over the overall market analysis for this month of September, which is coming up, and then I want to strictly talk about shares play. So we are in AutoDesk, we are in Snow shares, we are in IWM shares, we are in Disney shares. These are plays that I've made a video on like a month ago, or I alerted on Twitter, or it was on SundayStockTalk.com where I strictly said I'm buying 10 shares of these, and especially on my Twitter, where I try to alert on my options positions as well as shares position. But this play is going to be strictly on shares, okay? Shares only. So let's get started in this video. Subscribe with notifications on SundayStockTalk.com, and let's get started. Okay, we got a lot to go over in this video. So the overall market analysis looks incredible. Now let's take a look at the bigger time frame first, which is the weekly time frame. So this month of August was a very red month. If we take a look at the previous 4 candles, we could see that they were red. And this week we have September coming up. So this candle is going to be a September candle. So we're taking a look, 1, 2, 3, 4, a very red candle down here, but we have broken the downtrend on the weekly time frame, and we are signaling a move to the upside and potentially to the all-time highs on the yearly as well as the overall all-time highs for September. So are we going to be hitting all-time highs this September? That is the question for this month. Now, taking a look at the weekly time frame, we can also take a look at the Heikin-Ashi looking very good. We had a red wave, and now we are going green. Again, the stock market moves in these waves, and if we can ride these waves, that is how we can really be profitable. So we have this red wave ending on here. We have closed above the level of resistance, and we're taking a look at a start to another green wave to the upside to touch all-time highs for this September. So SPY is looking very bullish. Daily time frame looks extremely bullish for next week. If we take a look at a closer picture, we also do have a very nice gap for SPY. So the market analysis for this month is looking bullish. Now let's take a look at QQQ. And again, very simple analysis. I even taking a look at QQQ, I'm taking a look at the wrong QQQ, but QQQ looks even better because if we take a look at the weekly time frame, we bounced off the level of support for QQQ. So we could see that we have this massive channel for QQQ, and it looks even better because we have a solid level of support. But if we go into the daily time frame, we could see this very nice consolidation that we were consolidating between these two levels, and then we closed right at the level. Now, again, to keep in mind, just like SPY, we do have a nice small gap over here for QQQ. So QQQ is looking very bullish to break this to the upside and touch the resistance at here as well as 405. So both SPY and QQQ are looking very good. Now we also have the Dow Jones, which is banks, airlines, more industrials, Home Depot, which is also looking bullish. So overall, we are all looking and screaming bullish for SPY, QQQ, DIA, which is the overall market. Now our first play, again, we are in multiple shares play, long-term shares play that we are holding for a couple of weeks or a couple of months. We're up nicely on AutoDesk. So AutoDesk, massive symmetrical triangle. I made a video on it a while ago, okay, 1 month ago. This stock is going to the moon. This is literally the same setup, and we are finally starting to pick up and actually run. So 1 month later, we're finally picking up steam on Autodesk, and the stock is looking incredible. Take a look at the weekly time frame. Take a look at the past 2 candles. It looks extremely bullish. My price target is going to be 237. So that is going to be around a 13% gain on shares. So I love that idea. Quick 13% on shares. Very chill. No options, just playing shares on Autodesk. This play looks incredible. We are already in. And honestly, it's kind of too late since it is already starting to run to the upside, because we do have more plays for you guys. If you did miss Autodesk, we have Snow. Okay, Snow, same setup as Autodesk. I really, really love these setups. Okay, IWM, Snow, and Autodesk all have the same symmetrical triangle setup. They have literally the same symmetrical triangle setup. And we're taking a look at Snow, and Snow is actually sitting right at the level of support. So this is the buy area right now. So if you have not entered in Snow shares, now's the time to buy in. Unfortunately, I bought in mine at the level of resistance, but I'm fine. I'm chilling right now. And the main thing is going to be that our stop loss is going to be the close below on the weekly time frame. So for Autodesk, for Snow, for IWM, the stop loss is if we break the trend to the downside on the weekly time frame. Snow looks incredible. If you have not entered in Snow play, the shares play is still eligible. Okay, so this is looking very good. Take a look at the daily time frame. Again, just buying in low at the level of support and then selling in at the level of resistance, or to play the breakout. So Autodesk is running, and we'll see what happens with that. Next, we have IWM, which is a small caps ETF, looking incredible. But 3 of these plays are looking A+ setups for September, and these are straight up shares play for the month of September. We're taking a look at this. It looks very interesting. Now, take a look at the monthly candle. Let's see where we close on the monthly time frame. Especially for Snow, Autodesk, and IWM, the monthly time frame is going to be very, very crucial, because these plays are on massive, massive level of time frames. So the monthly time frame is going to be very, very crucial for IWM. And this is what we are taking a look at. We entered in IWM right around the level of resistance, so it's still kind of trading sideways, but the overall setup looks good, as long as if the overall market has more room to the upside to touch to the all-time highs for SPY, QQQ, and the Dow Jones. Next, we have Disney. Okay, Disney. So the thing about Disney is the deal was that our stop loss is going to be below $87 on the monthly time frame, but we have September coming up, and it is coming in very, very soon. So we have like 2 days or 1 day for September. So the next 2 days are going to be very, very important for Disney on how we close, because the stop loss that I am looking at is below $87, below $86 on the monthly time frame. So go to the monthly time frame. We have never broken this level. Okay, we have never broken this level. We did, but we wicked back up. So are we going to potentially see a wick? Tomorrow and the next day is going to be a very, very interesting day for Disney. As you guys know, Disney long term, we made multiple videos on it, but it just looks incredible with the technical analysis setups. There are some political stuff going on, so if this might not be the play for you, so don't play it, because we do have other incredible plays like IWM, Snow, and Autodesk. So this is what we are taking a look at for Disney. It's going to be very, very interesting on how we close. So next we have oil. So we talked a lot about oil, but taking a look at, this is going to be a shares play. Taking a look at the daily time frame, we have another symmetrical triangle. So this month of September is going to be another great month for oil, as we have really been consolidating the whole month of August. Okay, this is the whole month of August where we have just been consolidating for oil. We have literally been trading sideways the whole month after we broke out. So this is going to be a very interesting month for oil, like XLE. We also have SU and other oil stocks. SU has had an incredible run. Another one of our great plays, as we have made a video on oil like a month ago. Now next we have bank stocks. So WFC, which was on yesterday's video, and Bank of America. Pretty much banks are looking good. Go to tradingview.com or watch yesterday's video. I've talked a lot about this, where we are consolidating and you can play the bounce off of the level of support. So with September coming up, can we play the bounce off of this level of support for Wells Fargo and for Bank of America? And this is what we are taking a look. Last but not least, we have Target. Okay, so Target Corporation. This is also another one of a weird stock like Disney, so you got to be very, very careful. It's a politically active one. So we're taking a look at Target, and it does look, again, very, very interesting on the monthly time frame. we have this massive setup where we're sitting at 2019 levels, and we have a nice level of support. But the main thing is of us holding this level, this critical level of 126 and 16 cents for target. So we really need to hold this level for target. We talked a lot about target. I really like target because of the volume confirmation. We can see that we are in a accumulation phase, and if we take a look at the overall stock, it is a very, very beaten down stock. Okay, take a look at the overall market. Take a look at Target. Okay, the market is about to reach all-time highs, and Target is looking like this. So this to me looks like a great deal since we are at this very, very low level. And again, we want to be buying low and we want to be selling higher for these blue chip stocks. And it's Target, just like Disney. You know, I don't know if it's gonna go anywhere, especially the next couple of years. So I did go over a lot in this video. We had a lot of shares played, a lot of stock plays. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe with notifications on, and see you guys later. Take care.